Hi friends, today we're going to do Module 5, Lesson 4, Objective. Count straws the say 10 way to 19 and make a pile for each 10. If you don't have 10 straws at home, or excuse me, up to 19 straws, maybe 19 straws at home, then that's okay. You can use your cubes at home or anything, any object that you have for making 19, okay? And then we're gonna practice creating that bundle, that pile of 10 that you see here, and the leftovers here. It's gonna make it counting quick. All right, but first we're gonna warm up our brain by putting our dot cards of 6 into 2 parts. So right when I look at this dot card of 6, I immediately see an invisible line here, which I just drawn for you. And I see 5 here and 1 here. And I can make a sentence out of that. 5 and 1 makes 6. All right, do you see that? That invisible line? Good. All right, try it with this next one. Oh, this one makes it pretty easy to see that invisible line right down the middle. How many do you have over here? 4. How many do you have over here? 2. These are your 2 parts, similar to your parts in your number bond. So we say 4 and 2 makes 6. Good. Remember, that is the number that we are splitting apart right now. Oh, you're right. This one's trickier to see an invisible line. You could split it up like this and take off 1 and say 5 and 1 makes 6. You could kind of see it as 2 parts, as 6 and 0 as your 2 parts. Good. Yep, there's no wrong answer how you split up your group of 6. It just needs to make sure that it does equal 6. So we couldn't say 3 and 10 because we know that 3 plus 10 does not make 6. Good. Last one, friends. Good, that invisible line right there. 4 and 2 makes 6. Really quickly seeing those parts. All right, I'm going to get out my marker and we are going to draw 17 students playing at recess. 10 students were playing soccer. So if you're doing this on your whiteboard at home, you can do an S for the soccer friends and a B for the basketball friends, and draw your circles underneath, just like me. You don't need to draw soccer balls and you don't need to draw basketballs because remember, we're in math class, so I am going to just use circles. This is S for soccer, and we had 10 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then, so that's our group of 10. I have 10 ones, and there were 7 students playing basketball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 10 ones and 7 ones. Altogether, 17 students were at recess. 10 and 7. Great job. All right, remember to practice that vocabulary today. All right, friends, today we're going to do our say 10 way. So 10 and 1, you can get your cubes out and put them on your fingers like this and count with me, or you could just follow along on the board. So we're going to say 10 1, 11, 10 2, 12, 10 3, 13, 10 4, 14, 10 and 5, 15. 10 and 6, 16, 10 and 7, 17, 10 and 8, 18, 10 and 9, 19. And when you are going to get ready to do 20, we would say that we have 2 10s. Good job, 21s. Well done, friends. All right, today we are going to be using our 10 frame tool to help us navigate making these team numbers. We're going to look at the directions to figure out how many we need to draw. So how many do we need to draw in the first 10 frame? Yep, that's the number 10, and that means that every single square gets a box. If you're doing this on your board, go ahead, take your time, make a 5 row and another 5 row, and make that 10 frame on your board so that you can make the number 13 with me. Now, in my other 10 frame, how many am I going to make? Yep, just 3 extra. 10 ones and 3 ones, just like that. We don't want to put our dots like this. We don't want to put our dots like this. We want to put our dots right in a row so it's easy to see how many we have. All right, down here we're going to add 10 to start us off. And how many extra ones are we going to draw? 7. And again, we're going to fill it in just from left to right, top to bottom. I can make 10 ones and 7 ones. 10, 7, 17. And if you want to challenge yourself, you can write those numbers next to your work. Good job. All right. How would I say the number of cars the say 10 way? Yep, 10, 6, 16. Well done. Thanks for joining me, friends.